Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Pulinday TV. I just want to say good morning to all friends and families na nakatira sa ibang bansa that it's your morning time. And good afternoon sa lahat naman ng OFWs, mga kababayan, na kung saan ay it's your afternoon din kung saan po kayo naroon. And good evening sa lahat naman ng ating mga kababayan who lives in other country that it's your night time. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat. Ngayon, kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, please share, likes, comments down below, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Pulinday TV from Ilocos Sur. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa inyong suporta and God bless us all. May the love of God be with us always and forever. Bye-bye.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Coco. Today, I have a very good story for you. Bob and Nell. Bob has a good job. His job is to sell cobs. I will sell lots of cobs, he said. Bob put out the cobs, but his cob did not sell. Nell has a good job. Her job is to make good gel. I will sell a lot of gel, she said. Nell put out her gel, but her gel did not sell. Bob got a bell. Get some cobs, he yelled. I tell you, my cobs are good. Nell got a bell. Get some good gel, she yelled. I tell you, my gel is good. Bzz was a bad man. He saw the cobs and the gel. He went to drop Bob and Nell. Help! Yelled Bob and Nell. Bzz ran with the cobs and the gel. Bob and Nell ran after but fell and Bob got his cobs. Nell got her gel. A mob saw the cobs and the gel. Well, said Bob, I will sell cobs to the mob. Yes, said Nell, and I will sell gel to the mob. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. My name is Coco. Today, I have an interesting story for you. Have you ever seen a fox? Have you ever seen a fox cut a log with an axe? Said Tex. No, I have never seen a fox cut a log with an axe, said Max. Have you ever seen a fox get a fax? Said Tex. No, I have never seen a fox get a fax, said Max. Have you ever seen a fox put on red mittens? Said Tex. No, I have never seen a fox put on red mittens, said Max. Have you ever seen a fox mix logs with jam? Said Tex. No, I have never seen a fox mix logs with jam, said Max. Have you never seen a fox play a sax in a tux? Boo 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 boo, said Tex. No, I have never seen a fox play a sax in a tux, said Max. Have you ever seen a fox mix wax in a pot? Said Tex. No, I have never seen a fox mix wax in a pot, said Max. Have you ever seen a fox in a box with 6 eggs, said Tex. No, I have never seen a fox in a box with 6 eggs, said Max. But I have seen a fox hop over a log in the bog, said Max. You have? Said Tex. I never have. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. My name's Angel. Today, I have a very good story for you. The Zim Zam Man. Zim Zam Zig Zag Zags. See them, Zim Zam Man. Play the on his socks. Ooh, baby. Zim, zam, zig, zag, zag. See them, zim, zam, man. Zig, zag, on the rug. Zim, zam, zig, zag, zag. See the zim, zam, man. Zip, nest in a zip bag. Zim, zam, zig, zag, zam. See them, zim, zam, man. Put yams in a pan. Zim, zam, zog, zag, zip. See the zip, zam, man. Chop a fig. Zim, zam, zig, zag, zam. See the zim, zam, man want but busy as her run. Zim, zam, zig, zag, zam. See the zim, zam, man put the fox on a bar. The zim, zam, man hops over the fast mop. Zim, zam, zig, zag, zog. This is where the man will stop. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. My name's Angel. Today, I have a good story for you. Swiss Fun Run. This is Stan and Scott. They're going to run in the Swiss Fun Run. It is not just a run. They have to swim and skip too. I cannot swim, said Stan. Let's just run and not swim and skip. Let's go run up and down the steps. We can get skill on the steps. But just then Stan sniffed. I smile hand, said Stan. Let's stop and have ham. We must not stop, said Stan. We must run fast to be the best. They did not stop. It was the day of the Swiss Fun Run. Scott and Stan split off. But then Scott split on a slug and fell. Stan ran fast and did He won the top spot. Scott ran his beat, but he was lost. Thank you.
Thank you sa lahat ng supporters, sa lahat ng sumubaybay, at sa lahat ng mga nanood. Thank you so much for subscribing, sharing, and comments down below, at saka sa pag-thumbs up. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Thank you so much.